After the server is rebooted, shut down, or started, both AhsayCBS and NFS services are not automatically starting up after installing AhsayCBS on newer versions of the following Linux distribution: CentOS 8, Red Hat Enterprise 8, and Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. The two services must be manually started with the following scripts. For AhsayCBS service, for NFS service, this issue is related to a problem with the AhsayCBS installation script and the Linux systemd utility. To work around the issue, it is recommended to perform the following steps. 1. Log into the Linux server as root. 2. Run the following commands. 3. Reboot the server afterward. And 4. After the server is restarted, you can use the following commands to confirm if the services are running properly.